Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use the Instagram on your PC like you use it on your mobile phone. Right now you can see that I have opened Instagram on my PC, and right now it is the PC version as well, where you can see all the options are on the left hand side of your screen. Now to change the PC version to a mobile version, you just need to follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, just click on the three dots that is on the top right corner of your screen. And if you click on it, you can see that these options will be on your screen. Now scroll down until you see an option for more tools. And again, if you tap on this, a small pop-up of options will again be on your screen. Now just click on developer tools. After you do so, it will take some time to load, and you can see that this pop-up will be on your screen. And if you tap on this computer/mobile icon, you can see that your Instagram has been changed into the mobile phone version. And after clicking on it, you just have to refresh your page. And now after doing so, you can see that your Instagram has been changed into the mobile phone version even on your PC. And this was for this video, and that's how you can change your PC onto mobile on your laptop. Thank you guys for watching. This was for this video. If you guys find our video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Till then, goodbye.